It is 12:05 p.m. Tuesday, February 20th, 2024. Aboard Amtrak train number 7, the Empire Builder, headed from Chicago Union Station to Seattle, Washington, with a section going to Portland, Oregon. We're making our stop at Williston, North Dakota. Population about 29,000. The population has doubled from 2010 to 2020 due to the North Dakota oil boom. As we're on the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway Glasgow Subdivision. That's for Glasgow, Montana, further west of here. Originally, this was a Great Northern Railway. When we depart, we'll go by the depot, originally a Great Northern Railway depot built in 1910. We're due to depart here at 11:59 a.m., so we're not too late. Let's have a quick look inside the upper level of this Sightseer, Superliner Sightseer lounge car before we highball Williston. Highball Williston, North Dakota at 12:06 p.m. Tuesday afternoon, February 20th, 2024. Coming up is the depot. Originally Great Northern, built in 1910. like oil drilling going on. And it's now 12:11 p.m. Tuesday afternoon, February 20th, 2024. Aboard Amtrak train number 7, the westbound Empire Builder, bound from Chicago to Seattle and Portland, Oregon. Over and out.